What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. And today we're going to talk about the ISO compressor. This is a free game ISO file compression software that's available right now, and it's been available for a while now. I've been using several different ISO programs to compress my ISO game files into CSO files, and that basically saves you a ton of space. What this application does is basically shrinks that file and you save a lot of space. So right now we're going to get a file compressed real quick. So we're going to go with Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai for the PSP. Now this also works for Wii games if you do have a nice library of Wii games. So let's take a look at this game here under properties. This is 446 megabytes in size. So the total right now that I have in this folder of what I need to compress is 17.8 gigabytes, and that's only 22 games. That's quite a bit for that many games. I'd like to reduce that to, as much as I can. And this program, keep in mind, can only compress so much, right? It's not going to go all the way to whatever size you want it to be. So all you have to do is find the file here. So I'm going to browse. So here's Dragon Ball Z Shin Budokai. I select that and the output CSO file. So it's going to automatically choose the same folder that you grab the game from. And obviously you can save it as wherever you like, but I find it easier just to have it in the same folder. So let's hit compress. And you'll see the progress bar at the bottom, and we'll give you a notification once it's finished. Obviously, with larger games that are like, for example, Crisis Core, that takes a little bit of time since it's over a gig. So let's hit OK. And let's take a look at what we got here. So here's the CSO file and the ISO file. So the ISO file was sitting at 446 megabytes. And the CSO is at 292 megabytes, so that's not bad. So I can delete that ISO file and move on to the next game. And it's very easy and straightforward to install this program. This link will be in the description down below for you. It's isocompressor.com. And all you have to do is just hit the download link, open up the ISO compressor setup, and run through that. And that's all you need to do. It's pretty straightforward. But this is a really nice application to go through your games if you're working on something or waiting on something else. You can go through your games real quick, back them up, and just save some space. So I'm going to do all of my games. We were sitting at 17.8 gigabytes. So we'll see what we'll have after all of them are complete. There is a compression level. It's going to be set at level 6 by default, but the best compression is going to be level 9. So make sure you select that. So I just got done with compressing all 22 of these files, and we started at 17.8 gigabytes. And now we're sitting at 14.5 gigabytes. Wow. So that saved us not a ton of space, but when you're considering like a 128 gigabyte on a PSP, that is a lot of space. That's enough for a couple of more games added to your collection. So this is such a great tool to have, and I recommend you guys use it for all of your PSP and Wii games. Thank you all so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.